Need to know how to remove scratches from glass? Here are the basic steps to follow. Before we start, gather the necessary tools and materials to fix scratched glass. Microfiber cloth, mild dish soap, water, baking soda, white toothpaste non-gel, cerium oxide optional, polishing wheel for large glass surfaces, safety glasses when using power tools. Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get many more household tips and tricks. Let's get started. Start by cleaning the glass surface thoroughly. Use a microfiber cloth, mild dish soap, and water to remove any dirt and grime. Ensure the glass is completely dry before proceeding. Now, let's discuss the toothpaste method, which is great for minor scratches on glass surfaces and eyeglasses. Apply a small amount of white toothpaste to the scratched area. Gently rub the toothpaste into the scratch using a soft, clean cloth. Continue rubbing in a circular motion for about 2 to 3 minutes. Wipe off the toothpaste residue with a clean, damp cloth. Inspect the glass to see if the scratch is less visible. If needed, repeat the process. For slightly deeper scratches, you can use a baking soda paste. Here's how. Mix baking soda with a few drops of water to create a thick paste. Apply the paste to the scratched area. Gently rub the paste into the scratch using a clean cloth. Continue rubbing in a circular motion for 5 to 7 minutes. Rinse off the paste with water and dry the glass. If you have very deep scratches or want a professional touch, you can use cerium oxide, a glass polishing compound. Remember to wear safety glasses for protection. Mix cerium oxide with water to create a slurry. Apply the slurry to the scratched area. Using a polishing wheel for larger surfaces or a clean cloth for smaller ones. Buff the glass in a circular motion until the scratches disappear. Rinse off the residue with water and dry the glass thoroughly. Here are some final tips to keep in mind when removing scratches from glass. Be patient and gentle. Rushing the process may worsen the scratches. Always test a small, inconspicuous area first to ensure the method won't damage the glass. For eyeglasses, consider using a specialized eyeglass scratch repair kit. Prevention is key. Use coasters, tablecloths, or protective films to avoid future scratches. There you have it, a guide on how to remove scratches from glass surfaces. Whether it's a minor annoyance or a more stubborn scratch, these methods can help restore the clarity of your glass. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Remember, a little care and the right techniques can make your glass surfaces look as good as new. Goodbye for now, and happy scratch removal.